What is up, YouTube? I come to you from the lovely state of Alabama this time, and I'm going to show you how to put on your Eurowise bull bar bumper the cool way. So this is a method I learned working on model aircraft, like this little Black Hawk, for cutting engine cowlings and stuff for airplanes. So what I did is I took a piece of paper and I cut a hole with about a 1/4 inch gap around it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna tape this piece of paper on our bumper, and then we're gonna install our tow hook covers and then trace this hole on our tow hook cover. And we're gonna cut that out with the Dremel. So let's go outside and see what that looks like. All right, so you're gonna put the paper on over the hole and then verify that your bumper is actually gonna fit and the gap is gonna be even. And then what we can do is we just put this back and put this piece on, which I believe goes like this. Lay it down flat, trace that, and that's the hole you're gonna cut. You're gonna get a lot of those because I'm out here in flight school. So what we're gonna do is we're going to Dremel, or hole saw, whatever tool you want to use. I'm gonna use the Dremel, and I'm gonna cut this out. I use my sanding disc, and I'm gonna make it nice and smooth. And just like that, you're gonna install your bull bar again, and you can see the toe covers. They freaking cover all that ugly stuff that people just pull off and leave, and it makes it look a lot more finished, I would say. So last step is we're gonna put on our little covers. Hopefully these stick and stay there and don't go anywhere.